Welcome to Review Racer YouTube channel.
Laptops with mechanical keyboards are rare, but that doesn't mean they don't exist. Many brands are selling laptops that replace the membrane with discrete switches, which offers a number of benefits. 1. MSI Titan GT77. The MSI Titan GT77 is the last laptop we think has a great mechanical keyboard along with the best performance. In fact, we think it is one of the best gaming laptops based on the overall specs it can have. True to the name of the laptop model Titan, this laptop is going to be a huge hit in terms of performance. The reason is that it has a 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor and 64 gigabytes of RAM. It is a very fast processor and has a large RAM capacity, which should allow you to run games and software smoothly. You can also increase the RAM capacity to 128 gigabytes later if you want. 2. Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro. 361 of my personal favorite laptops is the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. Like the MacBook Air M2, this is an ultra-thin laptop that's perfect for those who are constantly on the go. It also has a very satisfying keyboard to type on. The entire keyboard offers plenty of room to type comfortably for hours on end. In fact, I wrote most of my Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 review on the laptop without any issues. The relatively thin keys offer a decent amount of resistance, even if you're used to mechanical keyboards. I also like how the backlight can be adjusted to suit the ambient lighting conditions. This laptop doesn't have a flashy keyboard, but my fingers were happy. 3. Asus ROG Strix Scar 15. When you think of gaming PCs, flashy lights and bold designs come to mind. If you want a laptop that's on par with gaming PCs with flashy RGB, then you can't get a better choice than the Asus ROG Strix Scar 15. With its offset clamshell design and flashy embellishments like the giant glowing RGB in the center, this laptop is a brazen gaming laptop. As expected, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 is equipped with some of the latest and greatest hardware configurations. This includes ultra-low profile optomechanical switches with individual RGB lighting effects. These switches are designed to actuate instantly, providing extremely responsive inputs and accuracy. The fully translucent keyboard deck highlights the RGB programming, and the keys are rated for 100 million presses. 4th, Aorus 17X. The Aorus 17X is another acclaimed Gigabyte mechanical keyboard notebook. It has a full-size mechanical keyboard similar to the Aorus 15G. The keys on the 17X have the same optimal actuation points and the famous Aorus Fusion lighting effects. The spec sheet also gives a similar readout to the Aorus 15G. It boasts the same Intel processor and NVIDIA graphics card. However, the larger Aorus 17X has a larger 17.3-inch display, more storage slots, an additional 3-watt subwoofer for audio, and an additional Type-C USB 3.2 USB port. 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus S17. The Asus ROG Zephyrus S17 is another notebook with a mechanical keyboard worth looking at. This is a large gaming notebook with excellent specs that will support your everyday activities, both gaming and work. The mechanical keyboard on this notebook is angled. In addition to improving the cooling of the processor, the tilted keyboard can also improve your typing experience by increasing the airflow at the back. You can type faster and more comfortably on the keyboard. 6. Alienware M15R7. The Alienware M15R7 is the first laptop on this list. The Cherry MX mechanical keyboard on this laptop is very comfortable to use, and it seems to be the best mechanical keyboard built into a laptop. The Cherry MX mechanical keyboard on this laptop is tactile. This type of mechanical keyboard provides a good feel when typing and also produces a quiet sound. It is comfortable to type for long periods of time, making it great for gaming and everyday use.
Like, share, subscribe to Review Racer channel.